We are now 2 days out from the start of the Transat Jaques Vabre, and I'm just having another look at the weather to try and get an idea of what the first 4 or 5 days of our race are going to look like. So I'll start off just trying to get an overview of the weather systems, how they're moving, how aggressive they are, and I just use a general viewer for that. So at the moment we're looking at today midday. You can see here there's a low pressure system off to the west of Ireland with a lot of wind. So the pink colours are a lot of wind underneath that. And if we fast forward to midday tomorrow, we should see that's slightly advancing towards us. And then midday on Sunday, that centre is staying relatively stationary, just dropping to the south a bit, but you can see there's quite a lot of breeze coming into the channel. So this is telling us that when we leave, it's going to be quite windy. And if we just zoom out a little bit and then fast forward to Monday lunchtime, so that low pressure is dissipated, but look at this coming in behind it. And then Tuesday lunchtime, you can see there's a very aggressive little low forming here, an aggressive weather front here. We're going to be trying to track down underneath that there through to Wednesday. This is probably the biggest worry for everyone. So on Wednesday, we're starting to see another low pressure system developing quite far south, and that is looking like it's going to land somewhere near Finisterre. So immediately what that's telling us is that we need to try and get south as fast as we can, because we don't want to be hanging around here when this whole weather system comes in. Now if we that's kind of big picture stuff. If we translate that now into actual actions for this boat and predictions of how well or what direction we need to go in this boat. So I use my navigation software for that. And what you can see here is I've got a base level forecast file on, and at the moment my navigation software is currently mapping out all of the possible routes that I could take from Sunday onwards. This pink line here, that was the routing that I ran yesterday. So this basically said that it's going to be about 11 days for me to get down to the rock of Sao Paulo, which is our turning mark south of the equator. So today I'm running the same calculation, and I'm going to compare the two routes to understand how they're different, why they're different, but also as the forecast progresses, we're getting more and more reliable information. And this is going to inform our race strategy for the first 2-3 days of the race.